Okay, guys, we are talking about, or reviewing, since we already did this, mixed numbers to improper fractions. And if we remember that a mixed number is when we have a whole number and a fraction together. So we're going to have 3 and 3/5. And we need to turn it into an improper fraction, which means that we need to make it that the top number of the fraction of the numerator is bigger than the bottom number. So if we remember, we multiply the denominator or the bottom number by the whole number, and then we add the numerator, and the bottom stays the same. So we would do 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 is 18, and it would be over 5 because the bottom stays the same. So let's try another one. 4 and, I'm using 3 again. 4 and 3/8. Remember, we multiply and then add. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 3 is 35, so it would be 35 over 8 because the bottom stays the same. All right, and here's another one. 6 and 7/9. So 6 times 9 is 54, and 54 plus 7 is 61, and then the bottom stays the same, so that would be over 9. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to work the other way around. We're going to go from improper fractions to mixed numbers. So again, an improper fraction starts with a number on the top, or the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So to do that, we're going to divide. So we're going to do 4 divided by 11. So 11 goes into 4 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. And we have 3. And the remainder is 3. So if we remember, this 2 becomes the whole number. So your answer becomes the whole number. Your remainder becomes the new numerator. This is coming back to you guys. And then the bottom stays the same. So it would be 2 and 3/4. And then to check, I would do multiply and add. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 over 4. All right, so let's try another one. 44 over 6. So again, we're going to divide. 6 divided by 44. So the denominator divided by the numerator. 6 goes into 44 7 times. So that's 42. And then we subtract. So that's 2. So remainder is 2. Remember, the answer becomes the whole number. I'm going to put not hashtag whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator. And the bottom always stays the same. So our new mixed number should be 7 and 2 over 6. And if we can multiply and add to check, 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 2 is 44 over 6. And if you remember, we can simplify this. So if we divided whatever, they can both be divided by. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 6 divided by 2 is 3s. Okay. All right, let's try one more. Let's go with 53 divided by I'm going to go with 9. So 53 over 9 is our improper fraction, so that means I'm doing 53 divided by 9. 9 goes into 53 5 times, so that's 45. Sorry, that looks like an S. That'd be 8. What does the 5 become? Our mixed number. What does our remainder of 8 become? Our numerator. And the bottom, please tell me, yes, it stays the same. And that is how we do it.